So this area that we find ourselves in is called the Overberg, and it's a very amazingly rich area, and it's home to what we call the Fynbos vegetation. So you guys might have heard a little bit about Fynbos. Fynbos is a type of plant that only grows in the southern portion of South Africa. In an area about the size of Portugal is where these plants grow, and they're so different to any other plants in the rest of the world that it's actually given its own floral kingdom, which we call the Cape Floral Kingdom, which is only 6. Now, to give you a bit of context on how special this is, here in the Fynbos area we have 9,500 species of plants. To give you an idea, the whole of Europe has 10,500 species.
Amazing.
So an area the size of Portugal has got almost as many plants as the whole of the Europe area. Here on Grootbos, we've got just over 800 different plant species that we're still finding new ones to this day. Some of these plants, the only place in the world that they grow is on this reserve. This tiny little 2,500 hectare piece of land. So we've actually made 6 new discoveries to science of plants that have never been seen before, never photographed, never documented. We sent them off to the experts and they were like, wow, this is new, we've never seen this. Welcome to Sunday's Gin Bar.
So then, today we've been trying to do something special with you.
Also wir haben jetzt gerade Sandy getroffen. Er hat uns jetzt gerade einen Gin eingeschenkt, und zwar einen mit Botanicals hier aus der Region. Der Gin ist auch aus der Region und Sandy ist professioneller Barkeeper. Und diese Ausbildung hat er nicht irgendwo gemacht, sondern in der Grootbos Foundation.
Okay, then I've been also trying to create something as a cocktail with this local gin. So I've tried to make a cocktail that we call it Fynbos business with this classic gin, and it's such a nice, refreshing cocktail that I use to make it for the guests when they're sitting there outside on the deck and watching the sunset. So I'd like to give you a taste of it. And there you go with my Fynbos business cocktail.
It's Gin o'clock at Grootbos. Wir haben jetzt nicht nur die 3 Gin-Sorten probieren dürfen, sondern Sandy hat uns jetzt auch seinen ganz speziellen Cocktail kredenzt, seinen Fynbos Business, eine Eigenkreation mit dem Classic Gin, die ich jetzt hier in den Händen halte und gleich probieren darf. Cheers und Gin Gin.